Hi everyone, I'm Joe from 9 to 5 Notion, and I had consultation session with Ian the other day, and I learned different topics on sales and marketing, pricing strategy, finding the right client, and solving their problems. And before I had consultation with him, I had a limited mindset on pricing strategy. Like I was thinking of setting low tier product, setting the low price tag so that I can sell to more people because they are more affordable. But that's not actually how it works, because if you can find the right client, then you can charge higher price for the problems that they are facing, and you can find a solution with your products or services. That's literally mind-blowing, and I am going to use that concept in my business. So if you are on the fence of having consultation with Ian, I would definitely recommend it 100% because you will get so much value out of this consultation session. So thank you for watching my review video. I will see you around.